the student and his money. One morning, a boy went to school. His mother gave him 2 20-baht notes for snacks. He put it in a side pocket of his pants, together with his handphone. When he got to the school compound, his phone rang. He drew it out and checked it. The ring was from his friend. He accidentally dropped the 2 20-baht notes onto the ground without noticing. After a meal during break time, he went to a snack shop to buy a smoothie, but he did not find his money. He went straight to the lost and found department and asked. The woman sitting there handed out a 50-baht note and a 100-baht note, asking him to choose his. He took neither, saying that he had lost just 2 20-baht notes. The woman smiled at him and handed 2 20-baht notes, praising his honesty and remarking that his honesty would support him for a good life.